What's up guys, Meg here from AVO. We are about to start our intermediate winter trail ride here. Everybody's getting aired down and we're getting ready to go. It's gonna be fun.
There we go. Now I want you to pop all the way off the brake. Close. Close. All right, let's back up. Let's go ahead and get that truck back.
I was so close to turn around, but I didn't know. I know you were.
Keep pulling. Keep pulling.
Alright guys, check it out.
No, man, I love that about you.
Like nobody's shooting at me.
We're getting the winch out.
He
We're gonna winch that tree over there.
Ethan, I dropped your keys in the mud back there.
Try to pull him over a little bit.
Yeah, well, I have a spare, but I prefer you didn't.
I got it. Whoa, it just over there.
right, Eric, what do you think of the trail ride so far?
Oh yeah, it's been awesome. We've had to pull somebody out off of a rock with a snatch strap. We've had to use the winch to pull another truck through a really tight section here in like a wedge. And it's been a lot of fun. Really beautiful trails today up at Windrock, and we still got to do 26, so a lot of fun bringing these trucks through, and yeah, having a good time with everybody.
All right, guys, we're having some lunch. Stopped halfway through the day. It's been a lot of fun. Hope you've been enjoying the videos so far. Everybody's hanging out. All right, guys, check it out. Headed up this rock garden. It's kind of hard to tell from the video how high it goes.
There's a setting to change that.
Well, I don't know it. I don't know what it's on.
What do you think? Your first trail ride, right?
Love it. I think you guys are creating a monster. Now I'm gonna have to put a bunch of money into this, try to make it better.
It's all our support. Yeah.
we are just wrapping up this intermediate trail ride. If you're interested in joining us on another trail ride, be sure to check out our website and keep an eye out on social media for when we announce them. We do beginner trail rides, intermediate, and advanced. So check those out, and hopefully we'll see you out on the trails. Bye.